In the previous lecture, we have seen how to use include variable in our template. Now, in this lecture, we'll see how to override Django's default template. Okay, so now we'll see how to use this template inheritance with object, which is very pretty much useful in our file and in our project, the project which you are creating or which you will create. So for that, we'll go to the book detail.html page and we'll create a one folder. Just name it components, and we'll create one file over there, just like object detail.html. And we'll copy the code, just paste it over there in the object.html, and we'll remove this code and we'll only use this block content to reuse that code. Block content, and we'll include that HTML file over there, just like by writing the include and the file of that name object detail.html. okay, and after that and block content. Okay, great. Again, one more thing over here is that we need to define this book in this include so that Django will not give this book error, because we haven't declared this book -html detail.html page in any views. So we need to define this book in this include tag. So with book is equal to book. So just save this and save all the things and go to the URL and refresh the page, just like go to the home view, so in the list view. Okay, so just we miss some components / object detail view. Okay, fine. So just save it and go to the refresh. Great. So this is the list view. This is showing twice because we include this. We don't need to include this again. Okay, just refresh the page. Great. So this haven't changed our detail view. So this is our list view, this is our detail view. So this is how we can use this with object with our book. And make sure this is one more thing is that this book is the view, is the this book, and for that just ABC, just provide the ABC over here and ABC. Okay, so just save it again and just go to the list view, just refresh. Okay, great. So this is all, this is working again. So to avoid the conflicts, make sure you provide the different context name and the different variable name. This variable is used in the object detail.html. So this is how we can use our code using the inheritance, and this is how we can inherit our page and reuse the code with the with object, or you can say the with variable. So if you have any doubt, let us know, otherwise keep going. We have seen how to override Django's default template